Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will share with you how I made this delicious chocolate banana bread. So for this recipe, I used all-purpose flour, sugar, eggs, baking powder, salt, cocoa powder, chocolate chips, butter, and bananas, vanilla extract, and milk. Start with sifting the flour and cocoa powder. Add sugar, salt, and baking powder. Mix it and set it aside. In a different bowl, mash the bananas. And the riper your bananas are, the sweeter the cake will be. And you can choose to mash until they're completely smooth, or you can leave some bigger chunks like I did for some extra texture in the cake. Add melted butter, vanilla extract, and eggs. At this point, you can also add milk, but I forgot to add it, so I added it later. Mix it and combine the dry and wet ingredients. Pour the batter into a well-greased pan. Sprinkle some chocolate chips on it and bake it in a preheated oven of 175 Celsius for about 40 to 45 minutes. And there you have it, a delicious and decadent chocolate banana bread. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.